I'm Abdul Halim and you are watching my channel Abdul Halim Learning Location. In this video, I have tried my best to teach you the most important topic of English language is narration, direct and indirect speech. This video will make your English very good and you can improve your composition power. So you have to watch this video, very important, and you have to share this video to the other people. Okay, this is a very important video which is made by me. Now you have to subscribe my channel also, because this is the policy of YouTube. If you subscribe my channel, I can bring lot of very wonderful videos for you. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Narration or डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। कुछ लोग इसको नरेशन कहते हैं, कुछ लोग इसको डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहते हैं। अगर आप राइटिंग पावर और कंपोजिशन पावर को डेवलप करना चाहते हो तो आपको डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट को समझना और सीखना पड़ेगा। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट स्पीच। द सेइंग ऑफ वर्ड्स of someone is called direct speech. The saying of exact and same words of someone is called direct speech. Example, he says, I am ill. I am ill are exact words. She says, my book is new. These words are exact words. Seema said, I saw you in the market. There are two parts of direct speech sentence. The first part, he says, and second part, I am ill. The part he says is called reporting speech. The part I am ill is called reported speech. He says I am ill ये एक सेंटेंस है। डायरेक्ट स्पीच की एक और निशानी ये है कि जो सेंटेंस है वो डिवाइड किया गया है कामा के ज़रिए और इन्वर्टेड कामा के ज़रिए। जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है ही सेज, उसके बाद कामा है कि जो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स हैं, जो स्पीकर के रियल वर्ड्स हैं, वो बंद हैं इन्वर्टेड कामा में। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज़ इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। द सेइंग ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर विदाउट quoting the exact words is called indirect speech. Indirect speech में जो स्पीकर है अगर वो किसी का मैसेज देगा तो वो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स में नहीं देगा, सेम अल्फाज में नहीं कहेगा, बल्कि अपने लैंग्वेज में या अपने अल्फाज कहेगा। उसको हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहेंगे। मिसाल के तौर पर he says that he is ill। दूसरा सेंटेंस, she says that her book is new। तीसरा सेंटेंस, Seema said that she had seen me in the market। Is it clear? He said, she said, इस पार्ट को, इस हिस्से को हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब कहेंगे। I am busy, I am a student, और she had seen me in the market, इस हिस्से को हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहेंगे। he said, she said, इस पार्ट को इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट भी कहा जाता है और रेफरेंस पार्ट भी कहा जाता है। ये बात किसने कही? they said, we said, she said, इस हिस्से को हम इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट भी कह सकते हैं। अगर आप चाहते हो कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच पे कमांड हासिल हो जाए तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके कुछ रूल्स और रेगुलेशन है, उसको याद करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। रूल नंबर 1, वी ओमिट इनवर्टेड कामा ऑफ रिपोर्टेड वर्ड्स। वी आल्सो ओमिट कामा आफ्टर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब व्हाइल चेंजिंग इनडायरेक्ट इनटू डायरेक्ट स्पीच। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करेंगे तो उसकी जो कामा है और इनवर्ट कामा उसको ख़त्म किया जाएगा। मिसाल के तौर पर मिस्टर अली रज़ा सेज आई एम लर्निंग फ्रेंच। This is a direct speech. Mr. Ali Raza says that he is learning French. This is an indirect speech. Rule number 2, changing the tenses. Rule number 2, if a reporting verb is in present simple or future simple tense, the tense of a reported speech does not change. For example, he will say, I am a student. He will say that he is a student. I say he is telling a lie. I say that he is telling a lie. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the reported speech verb will change like this. For example, he said, I am changing my subject. He said that he was changing his subject. Now see, I am changing my subject. ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में जब मैंने इसको चेंज किया इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में तो चेंज हो गया पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ही वाज चेंजिंग हिज सब्जेक्ट. When you change direct speech into indirect speech, you have to change tenses according to the rule. Okay, what are the rule? Simple present tense will change into past simple. Present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense will change to past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense will change into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Will change into would, will be, would be, shall, should. May will change into might. Can will change into could. Rule number 3, changing the time and place expression. This will change into that. These will change into those. Here change into there. Now change into then. Today will change into that day. Tonight will change into that night. Last will change into previous. Tomorrow will change into the next day or following day. Yesterday will change into previous day. Ago will change into before. Thus change into so. Just will change into then. Rule number 4, changing the persons. The first person pronoun I and we will change according to the subject of a reporting verb. For example, he says, I am tired today. He says that he is tired that day. Number 2, they said we play guitar. They said that they played guitar. Second person, you will also change according to the object of a reporting verb. चलो कुछ sentences पढ़ते हैं ताकि आपका जो concept है थोड़ा clear हो जाए. She says to us, you are wasting your time. She tells us that we are wasting our time. She says to me, you are wise. She tells me that I am wise. Third person pronoun he, she, it, they will never change. चलो कुछ मिसाल पढ़ते हैं. He says they are playing game. He says that they are playing game. I said she's not right. I said that she was not right. Exceptions. But if the speech to be reported states something, a universal truth, sayings the verb is reported speech will not change. आओ कुछ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ अगर ऐसा जो साइंटिफिक ट्रुथ के कुछ मिसाल पढ़ते हैं. He said the earth moves around the sun. He said that earth moves around the sun. Scientific truth. दूसरा मिसाल, Ali said winter is cold. वो चेंज Ali said that उसमें जो सब्जेक्ट है उसमें जो प्रोनाउन है. The teacher said उसमें जो man is mortal. वो सेम ही रहेगा. The teacher said man is mortal. Father said to me, honesty is best policy. Father said to me that honesty is the best policy. चलो अब एक एक्सरसाइज हैं जो मिक्सड सेंटेंसेस हैं उसको चेंज करते हैं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. मैंने आपको बहुत सारे रूल्स इसके बता दिए हैं. ठीक है, तो पहला सेंटेंस ये है, अली सेड टू मी आई हैव रिटन later now. इसका आंसर ये होगा Ali told me he had written later then. जुमला प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का है तो ये चेंज होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में. Sentence number 2. I said to Ahmed, you left your pen here yesterday. Simple past tense change into past perfect tense. I told Ahmed that he had left his pen there the day before. Number 4. He said to me, my father was living in the Lahore. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. He told me that my father had been living in Lahore. Anila said, I met Nida yesterday. Anita told me that she had met Nida the day before. Number 6. He said, I saw you in the market. He told me that he had seen me in the market. Number 7. He said to me, he is going home. He told me that he was going home. Number 8. She said, I work in hospital. She told that she worked in hospital. Hence, the judge said to the accused, you are not admitting the mistake. The answer, the judge told the accused that he was not admitting the mistake. Number 11. The student says to the teacher, I want to appear in the test now. Answer is the student tells the teacher that he wants to appear in the test now. Roxana said, I will return home today. Roxana told that she would return home today. Thank you so much.